Welcome back to the Byte and Cache channel. Today, we are looking at the underlying mechanics of human-machine communication. Artificial intelligence already filters your inbox and maps your commute, but the most direct way to control these systems right now is through prompt engineering. Forget the academic-sounding name. You do not need a computer science degree to do this. It requires absolutely zero coding. It is purely the science of clear, intentional communication. Think of modern AI models as brilliant but entirely literal interns. If you walk up to an intern and simply say, "Write an email," you are going to get a safe, generic draft. But if you say, "Write a friendly email asking my project partner for a 2-day extension because a shipping container was delayed," you get a precise, usable result. Mastering this distinction means you stop hoping the model guesses what you want and start engineering the exact output you need. Most users get stuck treating AI like a basic search engine. Professionals, however, categorize prompts based on the specific job they perform on our own thinking. This diagram maps the 4 levels of interaction. At the base is level 1, task execution. These are direct commands like summarizing an article, translating a document, or formatting raw data. Moving up, we reach level 2, thinking prompts. Here, you force the AI to slow down and use step-by-step logic, or run a diagnostic analysis to find the root cause of a failing process. Then comes level 3, cognitive prompts. This involves adversarial tactics. You instruct the AI to red team or stress test your strategy, simulating different perspectives to expose your own blind spots. Finally, the apex is level 4, meta prompts. At this tier, you ask the model to analyze, critique, and upgrade your own prompting frameworks. Here is the reality of the industry. Casual users stay at level 1. Sophisticated operators spend their time at levels 3 and 4. That is where the system transitions from a conversational novelty into a cognitive amplifier. Let's test this in a live experiment. We will start with a common, lazy request, asking an advanced model to explain prompt engineering. This screenshot shows the raw result. The AI defaults to academic jargon, throwing out terms like probabilistic token generation and massive parameter space. For a busy professional, this dense block of text has zero practical utility. To fix this, we apply a level 4 meta prompt. Instead of accepting the first draft, we feed our initial request back into the model, asking it to critique the logic before generating an answer. Look at the analysis in this image. The model immediately catches a structural contradiction. We asked for a strict 150-word limit, but simultaneously demanded a formula and 3 distinct templates. Scrolling further down, it flags critical missing elements. It notes that it provided no persona or context for the user and failed to specify how the final output should be formatted. This final image displays the result after correcting those flaws. We now have clean, clearly separated headers for an explanation, a formula, and actionable templates. Identifying and resolving those hidden structural errors before you execute the command is the exact difference between amateur querying and professional prompt engineering. You do not need a meta-critique for every casual interaction, but to bypass the trial and error phase entirely for high-stakes professional tasks, you can use the RTCF framework. This graphic breaks down the methodology. First, role. Explicitly state who the AI is acting as. Next, task. Define the exact action required, like writing an email. Then, context. Provide the background story. Finally, format. Dictate exactly how the output should look. By rigorously hitting these 4 parameters, you completely eliminate the garbage in, garbage out cycle of AI interaction. I have placed 3 ready-to-use templates built on this exact framework in the pinned comment below. Grab them, test them out, and drop a comment letting me know which of the 4 prompting levels you plan to try next. If you found this breakdown valuable, please take a second to like and subscribe. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and I will see you next time.